Fan hyn yn yr un ar yng Nghaerdydd Cardydd, yn cadw cwmni fi nawr, mae Dylan Williams a Gerwyn Price, os fydda, good evening. Eddech chi gyda ti, Dylan. Beth sy'n mynd mlaen heno? Pan mor fawr de?
Felly dyma'r Uwch Gynghrair, un o'r cystadlaethau, prif cystadlaethau mae'r PDC yn cynnal. Dyma'r eildro nawr i Gaerdydd i gynnal y noson agoriadol sydd yn tipyn o beth. Dim ond llon llaw o ddinasodd ar draws y byd sy'n gallu gweud bod nhw wedi wneud ni. A mae hynny lawr i bobl fel Gerwyn a Johnny Clayton gyda'i llwyddiant nhw. Mae Cymru'n hyddi noswaith fel heno.
A mae'n dipyn o beth hefyd bod y lle wedi gwerthu mas heno, rhyw 4,000 efe?
4,000, a dyma'r lleoliad lleia ar draws y Gynghrair, felly mae tocynnau mynd o fewn hanner awr fel arfer, ond yr sylw sydd wedi bod yn byti dartiau yn Nadolig, dim rhyfedd, oes e?
Ie, a mae yna dipyn o safon dyn ni fan hyn yng Nghymru, ynddoes e?
Oes, mae 'da ni 2 chwaraewr yn y 10 gorau yn y byd. Yn anffodus, Johnny Clayton ddim dani heno, ond mae Gerwyn dani, un o'r prif chwaraewyr yn y byd ar hyn o bryd.
Wel, gorau yn y byd ar un tro, ynddo fe? Gerwyn, thank you for the chat this evening. So, how does it feel to be on home turf tonight competing?
Yeah, not very often. You come to Wales and Cardiff, it's once a year, so I suck it all in and enjoy the atmosphere because it's always buzzing here. It was last year and managed to get a win here last year as well, so fingers crossed, same happens again tonight.
Is there something about the Welsh crowd that makes it a bit different?
Yeah, it adds pressure, really. Even Johnny said that last year. You turn up, you don't want to disappoint, you want to perform to the Welsh crowd because, like I said, you're not here very often, once a year, so hopefully I can play well tonight and give a little bit back because I know they'll support me. Yeah,
and you've got quite a bit of a tour coming along. You've got Berlin next week. Is it 16 locations altogether, is it?
Yeah, so it's 16 weeks, Berlin next week, Glasgow and so on. So it's, after 16 weeks, the top 4 go through them for the 17th week in the O2 and play in the playoffs. I fell short last year, lost to Michael in the final, but yeah, one step closer this year, hopefully.
No repeating this year. I think you're going to win this year, isn't it? Mae'n mynd i fod noson hynny, ynddo fi?
O, di. Mae Cymru wastad un o'r lleoliadau gorau ar y Gynghrair, felly fi ffili aros amdano fe.
Ie, pob lwc Gerwyn, good luck Gerwyn.
No worries, thank you. Cheers.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi, a fel ydych chi, newn ni dwlu nôl ydych chi yn y stiwdio.